Hey y'all, this is Nigger Riggin' Rich, and this is my single cylinder solenoid engine. Those are a couple gears from a drill. I just drilled them out and put it in. And we got us a coat hanger for the crankshaft. This black wire back here, this will be my negative contact. It provides power through the crankshaft into the positive for the solenoid. There's my on and off switch. You know, there's 20-volt lithium battery out of my drill. No, I did not tear the drill up to build it. But that's a good waste of good tools. Alright, here we go. And it's off. All out of trash. Who says you can't make toys for nothing, huh? Even adults have toys. There you are. And it works fine. Keep tuned for my 4-cylinder 120 volt.